it's Nicole and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a weekend in my life. I'm doing a few fun things this weekend, so I wanted to bring you guys along. Also, I feel like I haven't done a video like relating to school in a little bit, so I wanted to film this weekend. Dude, it was so funny. I saw this comment the other day. It was like, you don't have to put that you're a senior in high school in every freaking video title. Like, we know what grade you're in. I was like, okay. I'm still gonna do it though. But anyways, today is Friday, October 20th. It is currently 4:34. Actually, I need to charge my phone. Be right back. Okay, I'm back. After school, I took a nap, which is very nice. But today's gonna be so fun. I'm going to Knott's Scary Farm with my friends. If you don't know what that is, Knott's Scary Farm is an amusement park, and during spooky season, like September to October for Halloween, they do like a scary edition. So there's a bunch of decorations, a bunch of monsters, and then also mazes. So it's a fun time. Low-key scared, but it's gonna be fun. I'm gonna touch up my hair and makeup though, because like I said, I took a nap. But today's been a really good day so far. First of all, it's Friday, and I love the weekend. I feel like by the end of school weeks, I'm always so exhausted. Like, there's just so much that happens during the week, but the weekend is my time to kind of chill, just hang out with friends and family, and not like worry and stress about school every single second. But another fun thing is the gym, Avi. I think I'm gonna go, I don't know if I have time tomorrow, but maybe Sunday, I'll probably go to the gym. But today was one of my rest days because yesterday I went after school and I did upper body, which is like biceps, back, shoulders, chest. Your girl has been on her gym grind. I can't wait to like finalize my workouts, because then I'll actually film a video of like my workout routine. So I promise that's coming, because I'm getting a lot of comments on that video. So yes, I am filming that soon. But you guys, I am literally so sore because lately I've just been trying to focus on like learning the exercises with the weights, and it is not freaking easy. Like, oh my goodness. Last night I literally woke up like 3 times in the middle of the night just like aching because my arms are so bad. And like today at school I could like barely lift my backpack. It was bad. So that's why today is a rest day. I've been going like 6 days a week, which again, I'm trying to finalize like my workout routine and schedule and everything, but I need to remember to rest my body and like stretch so that I'm not like dying every single day. But besides that, it's been so much fun. And you guys know that me and my mom are obsessed with our new gym. I think I'll just do some highlighter and then I'll be good. But my friends and I have been excited for tonight, like literally for the past 2 weeks. Like, we bought our tickets like 2 weeks ago. They're picking me up in like 20 minutes or maybe 30, but I still need to think of my outfit and do my hair. So for my hair, I'm just gonna recurl a few strands because the curls have definitely fallen out. These are day 2 curls too. Last night we went to the Clippers game, which was so fun. We vlogged it for the family channel, so stay tuned for that. But my mom curled my hair yesterday, so I'm just gonna touch it up right now. Dude, Rich Baby Daddy by Drake, SZA, and Sexy Red has been in my head all day. Bend that over, make that. Outfit time. This is what I wore to school today, just this little Lulu jacket and then my flare pants. But for tonight, I asked my friends what they're wearing. I think they said like jeans, tank tops, and then bring a jacket because it's obviously gonna get cold. It's like already windy outside right now, and plus we're staying until like 1 in the morning at the park. So let me think of an outfit and then I will get back to you guys. Fit check. Okay, Loki, I don't know if I'm bringing the glasses. They're just like such a vibe. We're just gonna keep them right there for now. But I'm wearing a tube top from Princess Polly, and then my jeans, and then this crop jacket is from White Fox. This is so cozy. I love it. Ooh, the sun. Hello. What do I do? Okay, nope. Dang it. Anyways, I'm gonna put on perfume now. Just blinded myself. Oh, there we go. I am literally so excited. Getting ready for like anything just makes me so pumped. Also, I feel like I've been obsessed with like romanticizing everything, especially the boring stuff in your life. Like, studying could be so boring, but if you're taking like cute pics of your notebook or like going to a coffee shop to study, like romanticize it. Just find the positive in everything. Okay. Anyways, now I just need to pack my bag. I don't know if there's a policy of like small bags or like clear bags. I don't think so. I'm just gonna hope that this is fine. Oh, and also, Knott's Scary Farm is literally the place I got robbed. I don't know if anyone remembers this story, but I left my car open because, long story short, I had a key thing on my keychain, but then I left it in my bag, which I left in the car because I didn't know if I could bring my bag inside the park, and I'm used to my car like locking on its own when I walk away. So I thought it did that, but it didn't because the key was still in my car, so then it didn't lock and I got robbed. We came back to my car at like 2 in the morning and all the stuff inside was gone. So that's that. Low-key scarred from that experience, but we're just gonna pray that nothing goes wrong tonight. Anyways, I'm bringing my key thing, my phone. What else do I need? I'll put like a lip gloss or something. But besides that, I think I'm ready. Now I'm just gonna wait for my friends. I think they're actually FaceTiming right now. Let's go see. Guys, say hi to the vlog.
Vlog.
You guys will see them in like 2 minutes. Hey guys! 8 minutes. ETA 8 minutes.
Yay!
Sun's already setting. Park opens in
At 7. 7.
so
23
no, 30 minutes.
20.
Yeah. It's
29 minutes.
It's 29 minutes, but we've been getting hype. Guys, tell them our favorite hype songs that we play every time.
Bongos.
Bongos by Cardi B.
Kitty Cat.
And Kitty Cat by Megan Thee Stallion.
And recently it has been Rich Baby Daddy.
Perfect.
Those are the top 3.
Those are our top 3 right now.
But we're all super excited. Addie is getting a little nervous.
Guys, 2 years ago I came here and I almost called my mom today.
I'm calling my mom. I can't be
I don't know if I'm gonna make it through the night. Like actually,
She's gonna make it through
I might
the
just
night.
sit by myself outside and like wait
We
till
were
they're
watching
done.
the videos of mazes and she was getting so scared. It's okay though. We're gonna have so much fun. So
Our
power
plan,
through it.
our plan, close our eyes and walk through
No,
it.
yes, this is what's gonna happen. Everything.
I'm gonna have you guys like on all of my arms. We're gonna like
attack
No, yeah. We'll just like keep a circle.
Yeah, I got you guys.
So we are scared.
Yeah, it's gonna be great though.
We're scared.
So,
I'm just gonna be
let's do
mama
this thing.
protector all day.
I'm scared. We made it in. Guys, I'm so excited. Where are the scares? Monsters, monsters. Where are the scares at?
Bring them, bring them, bring them.
Update. We're at Johnny Rockets getting food right now. We got chicken tenders. I also got bacon cheese.
No, we're not getting it.
So far, what have we done?
We've been on 3 rides.
3 rides and then 1 maze. But it's pretty, we're doing well.
And like we're here for like another like
5 hours, 4 or 5 hours.
Oh, yeah.
lots of scares, lots of screams.
I feel like it's not even that bad though. Like we're like,
I got a, what was it, blown in my face?
leaf
A
blower.
leaf blower blown in my face.
Yeah, it's
And he
fun
keeps
though.
screaming.
I think Sydney's the most scared.
Just watch.
Yeah, we thought it'd be Addie.
I know, yeah, we're all kind of like chilling.
Alex,
So he's like screaming and then the people are coming up to her and chasing her and attacking her.
Hey vlog! I'm scared! We're on hang time. I am literally sitting 90 degrees backwards. We waited 2.5 hours for that.
No, we waited 3 hours actually. 3 hours.
It's okay, it was worth
That
it.
vertical, I feel like I was gonna fall out backwards. That was my mood.
Definitely recommend. Good morning, everyone. Happy Saturday. Today is October 21st, I think. Currently getting ready for the day. I'll get into today's plans in a second, but I'm gonna put a lotion on while I tell you about last night. Last night was so much fun. I had so much fun with my friends. I didn't get home until like 3 in the morning. But I don't know, it was just like a really good time. We ended up going on a few more rides after the last clip that you saw, and then just hold on for that plane. Oh. Okay, I kind of forgot what I was talking about, but my friends and I had a really good time. We just got home really late, so then I slept in very late this morning. But that's okay, because we're feeling good. Today's also going to be super fun. You guys know Skye, she's my brother's girlfriend. The other day, she was like, I'm going to take the Laeno siblings out on a date. So the 3 of us, me, Christian, and Skye, we're going to go to the Warner Brothers studio. They give like tours to like walk through all the sets, and the Friends set is on it. Ah! If you guys didn't know, my all-time like favorite show is Friends. It's my comfort show. I've watched all the seasons like so many times. And I think that's one of the main reasons why Skye wanted to take us there. Well, take me there, like include me on this date. Cause like, yeah, I'm technically like 3rd wheeling them, but I'm super close with Skye. Like we've become basically sisters at this point because Christian and Skye have been dating for a while now. So I don't know, I love my relationship with her. But yeah, that's gonna be fun. We're leaving soon, that's why I'm in such a rush. But thank gosh, I finished getting ready. I just have to put on like my rings, pack my bag, and all that. But here is the outfit for the day. This blue top from White Fox and then shorts from Nordstrom. Supposedly it's gonna be really hot over there, like 80 something. And then for shoes, I might wear maybe Converse today. But anyways, I'm super happy that it's Saturday. I'm just gonna finish getting my bag and everything, and then we're gonna leave soon. Happy date day! Yeah. Guys, should we do another video like 3rd wheeling my my brother and
See what we do in one day. You will be so bored and impressed. Impressed at how unproductive you can be. The amount of time you're gonna go, We just got out of bed. We're going to the Warner Bros. Studio.
Yeah, I already prefaced that.
Okay, so the Warner Bros. Studio, owned by the Warner Brothers.
Thank you, Christian.
They're gonna give us a tour of it today.
Yay! I'm excited. I'm gonna see the
Why
front
does that say
set.
low? I want the numbers.
Press auto.
Oh, wait, there you go. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
We're gonna be late?
By 26 minutes apparently.
Sorry, is this my fault?
That's okay. I was
Wait,
late
how
too.
about,
Can we change
what if
the
there's
time?
a 2 p.m. one?
Well,
Does our-
Yeah, and we already bought a ticket, so wouldn't they have more room on the...
yeah. Well, because what happens
But
is
don't
like
they have limited tickets for each tram?
I think she's about to explain it, and we both just interrupted her.
they separate you into different trams. But all of
Oh,
the
but I-
1 o'clock can't like.
See how
Go
she
on,
raised her
Rachel.
voice to make sure I wouldn't interrupt her.
She said, shut up.
I was about to say something, she's like, 1 p.m.
Guys, I feel like they're a little child right now.
That's what everyone says whenever they're with us.
Yeah.
What the freak, man?
I didn't have breakfast.
I know I'm very hungry.
Oh, this morning was so hectic. Mom woke me up at 11:30. We had to leave by 12, by the way. And then she was like, oh, let's get lunch or something. And then Christian's like, wait, we have the
Do you
tour.
have another pair of sunglasses?
Not in here. They got stolen, remember?
Can I wear those?
Sure. You feel like a bad beat. Oh, yeah. It's gonna take us an hour, a little over an hour to get there. And we'll update you about the scheduling because we might go on the later one if we can. We picked up some Popeyes for the road and then we figured out the scheduling. They're just gonna like have us go on a later time. So everything's working out. I got some chicken tenders though and I'm so hungry. So I'm about to eat this up. Alright guys, we just made it to the studio. Oh my god, it's so cute here. Literally right when I walked in, it's stuff from the Barbie set. Oh, I'm so excited. There's also a store, so we'll probably hit that up later, maybe get some merch or something. Alright you guys, we are like halfway done with the tour. I'm having so much fun! Basically the first part we were on the tram, we got off at some of the streets and like looked at the sets. But now we got dropped off at like the friends section. So there's like a little cafe acting as Central Perk, so we got the drinks. This is called the Rachel. It's a matcha and it's named after Rachel. And then now we're in the gift shop. And then I think after this we're gonna go to the set. So everything is just so fun. I love it. I wanna buy everything. Also the music that they're playing has just been stuff from the Friends soundtrack. I'm geeking out right now. I want to buy everything in this store. Although Christian's playing guitar back there.
He's tuning the guitar stuck to the chair.
Put your head out like a little bit. I think I want to get this sweater, and then maybe this mug. But guys, look, it's Marcel, Ross's monkey. Wrong way. Yes, sir. It's Chandler and Joey in their apartment.
I'm 100% Joey.
Oh, I love it here. My turn. Wow. Oh, yeah. Wow, it is very comfortable. We're here at the set. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Last stop is the Friends Fountain. Date night is complete. 10 out of 10. Today was so much fun. I just wanted to say thank you, Skye. And thanks, Christian, for driving. I love them so much. Hey vlog. Currently wearing my favorite t-shirt. But anyways, it's 9:43. When we got home, I was just catching up with my parents, telling them about our day. We also had dinner. We had burritos. Mwah. It was great. But it's time for me to get ready for bed. I'm actually really tired and I can't wait to sleep. But I do want to go to the gym tomorrow, so I need to get some good rest so I can be back and better than ever. But I wanted to tell you guys, I just had like a really good day, and I think something that really helped, or the reason why I did, was I feel like throughout the day I was leading with gratitude. Like there were just so many moments that I was just like, I'm so grateful for this, or I'm so grateful for that. And I feel like when you do that, like there's not much to complain about or worry about or be negative about. If you're thankful and looking at all the fortunate things in front of you, like only good can come from it. Yeah, I just wanted to say I'm thankful for everything in my life, including you guys. But I am gonna get a good night's sleep, I'm gonna take off my makeup, unwind for the night, and I will see you guys bright and early tomorrow. Good night. Good morning, everyone. Happy Sunday. Today is October 22nd. I'm ready to have such an amazing day today. I got 10 hours of sleep. Your girl's rested. It's currently 9 a.m. and I just got to the parking lot of my gym. I'm currently drinking the Kim-made Alani Nu energy drink, and these are actually pretty good. I don't drink them every single time I go to the gym, especially afternoon workouts, because then I'll be up like for the rest of the night. But sometimes for morning workouts, I'll just start my day with them. But today is going to be a total grind, work, productive day. I've had my rest days Friday and Saturday. I had my fun, but today is like my reset day. I do this every single Sunday to get ready for a new week. So I'm starting my day off with the gym, which is just my favorite thing ever. When I begin my day with moving my body, I always feel like so much better for the rest of the day. I like feel set. And then later I need to work on stuff for school, work, YouTube, just all that. Oh, and college apps. College apps, bruh. To all my seniors out there, it's almost over. Not really, but we're gonna get through college apps. Okay, but anyways, today is going to be a leg day. I'll probably just film like a few clips. I don't know. I'm still getting used to like filming in my gym and stuff, but I'll be more in depth when I do like an actual workout video. So let's have an amazing workout. Post-workout, I'm a sweaty mess right now. Don't mind that. I'm cooling off right now. But workout went really good. I've been doing the same few leg workouts for the past like 3 weeks now, and it's really nice getting to upping myself in weight. I feel like I'm building more mind and body connection, and I think my form is getting there. For example, I tried RDLs for the first time last week, and my lower back was hurting so bad the next day, and that obviously means I'm not doing the exercise correct because I'm supposed to feel it in my glutes. But I think today I did them better than I did last time. So still learning. Hopefully I'm doing things correctly, but now I'm just going to go home, take a shower, and then start working. Update. I am so stressed right now. I'm currently taking a break, but I thought I would just turn on my camera because I want to express how I'm feeling. Not gonna lie, I just let out some tears real quick. I'm not gonna have a total breakdown, but I am getting like really overwhelmed at this moment. It always happens when I'm just like thinking of everything that I need to get done, and right now I have just so much on my plate with college apps, editing, we're traveling this week, and like I know everything's gonna be fine and that I'm gonna get everything done, but like whenever I think about it in one moment, I'm just like, oh my gosh, there's so much. If you guys are ever feeling overwhelmed, this is what I try to do to calm myself down. First of all, just take a break, because if you're anxious and stressed and you're trying to get something done, most likely it's not going to happen because you're distracted of being overwhelmed. So taking a step back, taking a break just for like a few minutes to just catch your breath, reminding yourself to take it day by day, because you can't do a million things at once. Not everything's gonna be fine. Like it may not seem like it in the moment because there's so much, but it's going to be fine. So, time check. It's 4:02. Right now, I think I'm gonna make some soup because soup always makes me feel better. So, I'm gonna go into the ramen cabinet, pick out a ramen, and then eat that. Once I feel better again, I'm just gonna edit for the rest of the night. That's my plan, just to get that done, and then I have more time tomorrow to get stuff done as well. So yeah, the past few months, I haven't been too stressed over senior year, but now that college apps are starting, like the deadlines are starting to get super close, I'm feeling it for sure. But it's okay. Like I said, we're gonna get through it. All my seniors out there, as long as you try to work on it day by day, not cram it all for the last week, because there's just so much to do. Like, definitely give yourself a lot of time to work on this. Okay, anyways, I'm gonna go make myself some soup. Hopefully I feel better, and then I'm gonna keep on working. Bye, guys. Alright you guys, and this is where I'm going to end today's vlog. It's 9:09 p.m. right now. After doing some more work, my family and I ended up going to church and then having dinner, which was just really nice because spending time with God and spending time with my family always makes me feel better. So I'm glad I got to spend time with them as well. I think I'm gonna go to bed around like 12 tonight. I just want to do some more editing before I sleep, and then a new week begins tomorrow. This upcoming week is gonna be so fun, by the way. Stay tuned for the vlogs. But this weekend was so fun as well. Oh my gosh, we did so much. If you guys stayed till the end of this video, comment down below the ghost emoji because Halloween is right around the corner. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to like and comment down below, subscribe to my channel, subscribe to the family channel, and turn on all of the post notifications. I'll see you guys back with another video. I love you guys so much. Stay positive. Bye.